So your teeth have to be closed like this. After that, say 으이, like your tongue's 으이. 안녕하세요. Hi everyone. This is Morning. Do you know how to pronounce this in Korean? 으이, 에, 이. The answer is all of them. Yeah, 으이 actually has 3 different pronunciations, and if you don't know this, your Korean can sound a bit unnatural. So today I'm gonna show you exactly how to pronounce this using this mouse. Also, when to use each one with real examples you can start using right away. Before we get into that, there are 2 sounds you need to know first. 으 and 이. Because 으 is actually a combination of those 2 sounds. So first, your lips keep them relaxed, don't round them, just like like this. So stretch out at the end of your lips like this, smiling. Okay? And now your tongues, you imagine this mouth is closed like this. After that, your tongue is here. Yeah, there is a tongue. And for your tongue stays high like this. Not this, high. And then stay at the middle of your mouth, like around here. Okay? So this is 으. So close your teeth first and smiling this, and then pronounce it 으, around this position. Then for E, your tongue moves forward like this, okay? But still stays high. E. So the movement is back to front. To E. So you can say this and E this. So if you say together quickly, it's 으이. Okay? Your teeth are still closed, and then say 으이. So this is the basic pronunciation. 으이. Good. Now I'll tell you one important thing. Don't worry if it feels awkward at first. This sound is not very common in many languages, so it's totally normal if it feels difficult in the beginning. The key is practice slowly and focus on the movements of your tongue. Okay? 으이. And now the real question is, when do we actually pronounce it like 으이? First, if 으이 is at the beginning of a word, you pronounce it as 으이, like 의사, 의자, 의미. And second, if 으이 is not at the beginning, so in the middle or at the end of a word, it's often pronounced as 이. For example, 회의, 주의, 편의점. And technically, you can say 으이 here. It's not wrong, but in real life, most Koreans say 이, and that sounds more natural. So if you want to sound more like a native speaker, I recommend using 이, not 으이, in these cases. And now, third one. This one is the most important. When 으이 is used as apostrophe s in English as a possessive marker, it's usually pronounced as 에. So when you pronounce 에, your teeth has to be a little bit open like that, and then the height of tongues is in the middle, like 에, not 으이. 에. Okay? For example, 친구의 집. 엄마의 가방. 원숭이의 팔. And again, you can also say 으이. It's not wrong, but sounds way more natural in everyday conversations, so I recommend to say 에 in this case. Let me give you one quick comparison. Listen carefully. 친구의 집, 친구의 집. Can you hear the difference? I will say both again. 친구의 집, 친구의 집. And second one, 친구의 집 is more natural. And one last thing, when 의 is combined with another consonant, not 이응, is usually pronounced as 이. For example, 흰색. 흰색 consonant is 히읗. So we pronounce it not 의, 흰색. And 희망. He also 히읗, 희망. And 무늬. 니은 with the 의 together, we pronounce it 무늬. Let's try together. 흰색, 희망, 무늬. Alright, now let's practice with full sentences. I will show you some sentences, pause the video, and try reading them first. Number 1. 친구의 편의점에 갔어요. Number 2. 희망의 의미를 이해하고 싶어요. Number 3. 편의점 의자가 불편해요. Number 4. 회의에서 분위기의 변화가 느껴졌어요. Number 5. 흰색 옷의 무늬의 의미를 설명해 드릴게요. Number 6. 의사가 편의점 음식을 주의하라고 했어요. Number 7. 이 흰색 무늬는 희망의 의미를 담고 있어요. So now I'll say one more time all together again. Number 1. 친구의 편의점에 갔어요. Number 2. 희망의 의미를 이해하고 싶어요. Number 3. 편의점 의자가 불편해요. Number 4. 회의에서 분위기의 변화가 느껴졌어요. Number 5. 흰색 옷의 무늬의 의미를 설명해 드릴게요. Number 6. 의사가 편의점 음식을 주의하라고 했어요. Number 7. 이 흰색 무늬는 희망의 의미를 담고 있어요. Good job! So today we learned 3 main pronunciation of 의, beginning, 의, middle or end, 이, possessive, 에, and consonant plus 의 becomes 이. If you get this right, your Korean will instantly sound more natural. And remember, pronunciation is all about repetition. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to practice real Korean pronunciation and intonation through K-dramas, join my K-drama sharing club. Check the link in the description below for more details. Then see you next time with more fun and helpful videos. 안녕!